We have to list all the transformations of these two functions. Let's talk about first one. We'll start definitely with the parent function, and the parent function is cosine of x. Cosine of x. All right. If it is cosine of x, by the way, before moving to cosine of x, we are going to rewrite the function as a standard format in which this will be 4 cosine of 2 is taken as a common factor. This will be x plus pi over 3, x plus pi over 3, and plus 2 remains as it is. The first, and now we write the parent function g cos x. So the first step is definitely we can vertical amplification. So we will say that it is vertically stretched by a factor of 4. Vertically stretched by a factor of 4 to give us 4 cos x. Then it is horizontally shrink, because whenever x is multiplied with 2, or in fact, let's do one thing before moving to the, okay, fine, we'll do that. We'll do a horizontal shrink now. Horizontal shrink by a factor of 2, by a factor of 2. So whenever we have a horizontal shrink, we multiply this x by uh, 2. So that will be 4 cos of 2x. Then we do right shift, right translation, or the right shift by uh, not actually right, since we have plus, so we'll have a left shift by pi over 3 units, because whenever we shift to the left, that x will be replaced by x plus pi over 3. And finally, vertical shift, which is upwards, vertical shift up by 2 units, by 2 units. So this will become finally as 4 cosine of 2 times 4 cosine of 2 times x plus pi over 3 plus 2. All right, so this is the first one, and likewise we have to do for the second one as well. We have to list all the transformations. So y is equal to 4 times sine of twice of theta minus pi plus 1. So once again, this is already in the correct format, so we'll start with its parent function hx, which is sine theta. So the first thing is the first transformation is vertical stretch by a factor of 4 to give us 4 sine theta. The next step would be horizontal shrink, horizontal shrink by a factor of 2, by a factor of 2. So that will give us 4 sine 2 theta. Then we have a horizontal translation or horizontal shift, or let's call it right shift, because if we are shifting right, then it will be replaced by minus of that thing, because this is minus. Horizontal shift by pi units, which will give us 4 sine 2 times of theta minus pi. And finally, vertical shift, and that is also upwards, because this is plus 1 by 1 unit. This will give us 4 sine twice of theta minus pi plus 1. So this is the final answer. Thank you.